You know that slouched, slow start of the day when your hips feel heavy and your neck already aches before you even opened your laptop? That's not stiffness, that's your posture begging for help. Let's hit the mat. Let's wake up the hips, not by stretching, but by circling into control. Start in a kneeling position, gently roll your hips in a slow circular motion, like you're drawing a halo around your spine. Keep your core gently braced, alternate directions every few circles. You're not just moving, you're lubricating your hip capsules and unlocking deep stabilizers. Beginners, keep the circles shallow and slow. Advanced stretches add a breath rhythm. Inhale as you arc forward, exhale as you swing back. This is one of the safest and fastest ways to mobilize tight hips without force. Can you stay fluid for 5 more seconds? Try closing your eyes and feeling the pattern. That just activated your hip awareness. Now let's stretch the sideline. This is where tension hides, deep in the side body. Kneel on your right knee, left foot out to the side. Drop your right hand down, reach your left arm up and over, creating a long arc. Hold, breathe into that stretch between ribs and hip. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Beginners, keep the reach gentle and elbows slightly bent. Advanced stretches sink deeper and twist open toward the sky. This move stretches the QL, a back muscle most people never even think to release. Are you feeling that line of stretch from your hip to your armpit? That's the fascia unwinding. That just created length. Now let's open your chest and reclaim your posture. Time to reverse the posture damage from screens and slouching. Stand or kneel, clasp your hands behind your back, pull your hands down as you lift your chest up, open across the collarbones. Imagine you're sending your heart forward. Feel your shoulders pull back into alignment. Breathe deep. Beginners, use a towel or strap if clasping is hard. Advanced stretches, add a gentle tilt backward or a slight bend forward to intensify. The chest holds emotion. When tight, it restricts breath and even confidence. Hold it. Now challenge yourself. Can you lift half an inch higher through the sternum? That just opened your heart space. Let's drop into release. Now we bow, not from weakness, but to surrender tension. From standing, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your arms dangle, soften your knees if needed. Let gravity do the work. With each exhale, surrender a little more. This decompresses your spine and releases hamstring tension. Beginners, bend your knees and rest hands on thighs or a block. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Spinal decompression in the morning? A game changer for energy and clarity. Do you feel your back unraveling? Hold 5 more seconds and breathe into your calves. That just resets your spine, and let's finish at the top. We hold stress in our necks without even noticing it. Sit or stand tall. Tilt your head gently toward one shoulder. Hold. Use your hand lightly to deepen the stretch. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Feel that gentle release along the side of the neck. Beginners, stay upright and move slowly. Advanced stretches, anchor your opposite hand down for deeper length. The SCM muscle, that rope line on your neck, often gets tight from jaw clenching and poor posture. Ask yourself, are you holding your breath? Let it go. Tilt deeper. 5 more seconds. You made it.